Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at something really interesting, a new AI-powered browser called Norton Neo. Neo is described as the world's first safe, AI-native browser, designed to make your online experience smarter, safer, and more productive. Instead of constantly switching between dozens of tabs and different AI tools, Neo brings AI directly into your browsing experience. In this video, we'll take a look at what Norton Neo is, how it works, its key features, and how you can get started. So, let's begin. Norton Neo is designed to work with you, rather than simply being a traditional web browser. It combines AI assistance, web browsing, and productivity tools into one experience. One of its main features is the Magic Bar, which combines search, AI chat, and actions in a single place. Neo also offers instant AI summaries for websites and videos, a tabless browsing experience to help keep your workflow organized, and a built-in AI typing assistant that can help you write faster and more effectively. The main idea is simple: make browsing smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. Getting started is easy. First, visit neobrowser.ai. You'll find the official Neo homepage, where you can sign up using your email address. Once you receive access, download the installer for your system, whether you're using Windows or macOS, and install it, just like any other browser. When you open Neo for the first time, you'll go through a quick setup process. After that, you'll arrive at the main interface, where the Magic Bar becomes the center of your browsing experience. The Magic Bar is one of Neo's most powerful features. Instead of simply searching the web, you can use it to ask questions, generate content, summarize information, or perform different actions, all from one place. For example, you can ask Neo to summarize an article, compare different products, research a topic, or even help you draft an email. Another useful feature is instant content summarization. Neo can summarize articles, documents, and even videos, allowing you to understand the most important information without spending a lot of time going through everything yourself. Neo also introduces a tabless browsing experience. If you're someone who regularly ends up with dozens of browser tabs open, this feature can help make your workflow much cleaner. Instead of manually managing countless tabs, Neo is designed to organize your browsing experience around what you're actually working on. There's also a preview feature, which lets you quickly view information from links before opening them. This can save time by helping you decide whether a page is actually worth exploring. Another useful tool is the built-in AI typing assistant. Whether you're writing emails, messages, documents, or social media posts, the assistant can help improve your grammar, suggest better wording, and help you write faster. And one feature I think deserves special attention is configurable memory. This allows Neo to remember information and preferences that can make your AI experience more personalized. The important part is that the memory feature is configurable, meaning you have more control over what the browser remembers and how that information is used. For people who use AI regularly, this can make interactions feel more personalized and consistent instead of starting from scratch every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.